The general form of the equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now this is the general form of the equation for circle. Now here h, k and r are real numbers. And what do they stand for? The h and k, they stand for the center point of the circle, and r stands for the radius of the circle. So let's do an example. Let's consider we are given an equation of a circle in the form x square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y minus 7 equals to 0. And they have asked us to find the radius and the center point of the circle. So for that, we'll have to convert this equation into this form. Only then we can find its radius and its center point. So now, what we'll do is, we will make the use of the quadratic square method, which you have already learned in the chapter quadratics. So for that, I'll have to write the terms of x square with x and y square with y. So I'll get this x square plus 4x plus y square minus 10y minus 7 equals 0. Now from this, we'll have to make up this formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. Same is the case for this expression, y square minus 10y. So for that, we'll have to divide b by 2 and add its square into the equation and subtract its square from the equation. So we'll get x square plus 4x plus 4 by 2 whole squared negative 4 by 2 whole squared plus y square minus 10y plus 10 by 2 whole squared minus 10 by 2 whole squared equals to minus 7 equals to 0. So for now, we can see that this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and so is this expression, right? This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we'll get x plus 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, x plus 2 whole squared, this will persist, minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 whole squared, negative due to this negative 10y, plus, no, negative minus 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 squared minus 7 equals 0. So if I solve this further, I'll get x plus 2 whole squared plus y minus 5 whole squared equals to 36. So now if we observe this closely, you can see that this is in the form of this x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared. Now here h is what? H is negative 2, right? Because only then it will give us negative and negative positive. So h is negative 2, y is positive 5, right? And r is what? 6. Because 6 squared is 36, right? So our center point is negative 2, 5 center, and our radius is 6 units. That's how you convert an equation of a circle in any form into its standard form.